The YCCTEK electrodeless lamps can be used in various environments for various industries, including production lines, storehouses, docks and other areas, etc. Logistics and inventory industry, special freezers, department stores and wholesale lots, explosion-proof lamps for petrochemical use, airports, bus and train stations and seaports, auditoriums, gymnasiums and exhibition halls, parking lots, parade grounds and tunnels, agricultural industry and greenhouses for flowers, commercial billboards, etc. The YCCTEK advanced electrodeless lamps can satisfy the brightness required by customers and offer energy and power-saving effectiveness. Moreover, a substantial amount of spending in wiring and maintenance materials can be saved if the advanced electrodeless lamps from YCCTEK are adopted upon setting up the production plant. The following section provides a few actual examples of the uses and effect of energy saving. In addition to being able to bring to customers highly efficient illumination with power saved, the operating costs were also reduced while competitiveness was enhanced. 1. Yulon Motors. Yulon Motors, the biggest domestic car manufacturer, started with the adoption of the YCCTEK advanced electrodeless lamps from 2010 with an energy-saving effectiveness as high as 65% or more for 3 years until now. Its zero breakdown performance has saved substantial costs of maintenance. In 2012, a greater scale of replacement for the means of illumination in its production lines, road lights, and auxiliary lights was underway. That saved a considerable amount of operational costs. On-site environment. 1. Length 100 meters. Width 50 meters. Height 7 meters. 2. Uses the 100 watt to 130 watt YCCTEK advanced electrodeless lamps to replace the original 500 watt mercury lamps. 3. The rate of energy saving reached as high as 65 to 80%. 2. Laurel Enterprises Corporation. Laurel Enterprises, a large-scale food processor, requires larger size refrigeration, minus 28 degrees Celsius. However, the temperature for traditional mercury lamps can reach as high as 300 degrees Celsius, which is a huge burden for refrigeration equipment that needs to maintain a low-temperature environment. The temperature of the YCCTEK advanced electrodeless lamp products is 250 degrees Celsius lower than mercury lamps, with a high energy saving rate that sports a decent performance after a half a year of testing in low temperature environments. On-site environment. 1. Length 38 meters. Width 25 meters. Height 14 meters. 2. Uses high illumination 130 watt YCCTEK advanced electrodeless lamps to replace 500 watt mercury lamps, achieving an energy savings rate as high as 76%. 3. This is a newly built plant. The owner expressed that $800,000 in bills was saved for material costs as detailed below. 1. Wiring material. The original 3.5 millimeter wires were changed to 2.0 millimeter wires with 50% savings in wiring alone. 2. Power switches. The original 10 amp power switch could only have 3 units of 500 watt mercury lamps installed. 18 units can be installed once switching to the YCCTEK 100 watt advanced electrodeless lamp, which saves almost 6 times the cost of power switches. 3. Bulb consumables. Under normal use, the bulbs of the YCCTEK advanced electrodeless lamps could last as long as 60,000 to 100,000 hours of life, almost 10 500 watt mercury bulbs. 4. Maintenance. Waives the high maintenance cost of constantly replacing lamps and using high-altitude operating vehicles. YCCTEK Advanced Electrodeless Lamps saves more than you imagine. 3. Chowtai Logistics Corporation, DKSH Group. Chowtai Logistics Corporation, a well-known logistics company, adopts high-altitude storehouses for its operating facility. Under the requirement for energy savings, it conducted a comparison of usage between LED lights and YCC Advanced Electrodeless Lamps. After a half a year of testing, the opinion of on-site operating staff, YCCTEK Advanced Electrodeless Lamps features 1. Low switch costs. 2. High level of illumination. 3. Bigger area of illumination. 4. Low light attenuation. 5. Soft rays are not harsh and do not dazzle with low-level dizzying light. 6. Will not affect operators of pallet lifts that result in hazards. Combining all the advantages above, Chowtai Logistics switched to YCC Advanced Electrodeless Lamps in full scale. On-site environment. 1. Height 9.6 meters to 14 meters. 2. 500-watt mercury lamps and 250-watt mercury lamps for dock usage are replaced by YCC Advanced Electrodeless Lamps with lamp sets in 160-watt, 130-watt, 100-watt, and 80-watt. 3. The rate of energy saving reached as high as 74.8%. Four. Li and Feng, LF Logistics, Hong Kong. LF Logistics Hong Kong, a multinational logistics company with operations around the globe, replaced their lighting at their storehouses in Dayuan and Reifang with YCCTEK's advanced electrodeless lamps that saved as much as 73% of power. On-site environment. 1. Length 300 meters. Width 90 meters. Height 13 meters. 2. The two logistics storehouses replaced a total of 1,065 sets of YCCTEK advanced electrodeless lamps. 3. The rate of energy saving reached as high as 72.99%. 4. About 4.648 million in electricity costs were saved annually. New Taiwan dollar 3.5 for every kilowatt of electricity, with 288 days of lighting in a year and 12 hours of lighting in a day. Five. Others. Petrochemical industry. LCY Group, Formosa Plastics, Formosa Chemicals and Fiber Corporation, Mailiao Plant. 2. Machinery industry. Victor Taichung Machinery Works Company, Soko Machinery Company, Tung Tai Machine and Tool Company. 3. Electrics industry. Yahweh Precision Electronics, Mabuchi Motor, Reichi Precision, Victor Taichung Machinery Works Company. 4. Electronics industry. Speedtech Corporation, Arcadian Technology Corporation, Compal Electronics Incorporated, Kunshan Plant. 5. Automobile industry. Yulin Motors, CMC Motor, Causeway Motors Limited, Tungyang Group, Bridgestone Corporation, Chuhatsu Factory Company. 6. Logistics industry. LF Logistics, Taiwan Eastern Freighting, Cheng-E Logistics, HCT Logistics, Chow Tai Logistics Corporation, DKSH Group. 7. China Steel Corporation, CSBC Corporation, Taiwan High Speed Rail, Industrial Technology Research Institute. 8. Road lamps, Dongda Road, Hsinchu City, Tainan City Municipal Government, access roads of Yulin Motors Production Plant, etc. 9. Overseas customers. Italy wholesale lots, India steel mill, Japan gymnasium. YCCTEK advanced electrodeless lamps save electricity cost and are environmentally friendly with more energy saved. The quality of YCCTEK is as reliable as diamonds.